Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian K custom ride 20-inch, and as you can tell right here, got some crack damage right there. I'm gonna wave it out, get rid of that damaged area. So before we do, let's give a little sound test. Alright, you can already tell that when we hit this cymbal it jiggles a lot, but we don't want it to jiggle as much because it's just damaged area right there. So let's fix this baby up. Alright y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K custom ride 20-inch, and as you can tell right here, crack has been smoothed out. It's not as smooth as butter. So let's give this little cymbal sound test. Sounds pretty good to me.